Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can create a leaderboard like this one in Circle. You only need three tools, that is Circle, Excel, or Google Spreadsheets, and Google Data Studio. The first thing that you have to do is to export all your members' data. So we can go up here on members and export. I will not go in the weeds on how you can do this because I already created a video with all the details. I'll just link down here below, you can check it. But yeah, as soon as you export, you can import the data in Excel or then again in Google Spreadsheets. And you have something like this, where I remove some columns here just for data security. So I have my member's name, and I can see the number of posts, comments, and likes received. And then you can use for the scoring, you can use just likes received, or you can just sum up all these three and have your score. Either way. And after you have this, you have two options. So depending on how many members you want to show in the leaderboard, how many members you have, you can see if I go back here, I can keep scrolling to next page. If I have many members here, like if I add all these, I can just keep on clicking and see all my members, or I can just leave the top 10. So if you want to just use the top 10, you can just simply copy here your top 10 members, their score, and create a spreadsheet that is called also leaderboard in Google Spreadsheets, and rank here your members and just copy and paste their names and scores. Or you can open Google Data Studio, click on create. I'm going to create a new report. I go from 0, so everyone can see how can they create one. And then you're going to add the data. So then again, you can either add from Google Sheets, or you can go and search for CSV and upload the CSV if you want all your members, or you just had another CSV with any score and want to upload here. But for this case, we just use Google Sheets. So I'm gonna pick leaderboard, add it, and you can see that it's gonna add a table here. But first, I'm going to page, current page settings, and you go here on style and add 450, and you can adjust the height depending on the size of your listing or how many rows you're gonna have. But here I will just cut to be a square. And now going back to data, so if I click here, I have the dimensions, that is name, and I'm gonna add score as well. I'm gonna remove this metric, and there you go. You have the name and score. If you want to just leave a table, there you go. You're gonna have a table of your top members. But I'm gonna remove and chart here, bar chart to the center. I'm gonna add the score here. Again, metrics, the descending order, and then you can go style, change the color here, show the data labels, or you can pick whatever kind of chart you want to present the top members. Also, you can click here and add a text that is then create leaderboard. Make it bold, make it bigger. And there you have it. Now to add this to Circle, the next thing you need to do is go on Share, Manage Access, and anyone with the link can view, save it, close. I'm just gonna add a title here, it's the same, community leaderboard. After you make it public, you need to go here on File, Embed Report, Enable Embedding, Embed URL, copy it, and go back to Circle, New Post. You're gonna use the Embed feature here on Posts. Paste the link, embed the link. Here we go. Just post it. You're gonna have your community leaderboard. You can then either pin it at the top, pin it at the sidebar. I still haven't figured out how to embed it here on the right sidebar, but I'm gonna check and let you guys know. Thanks for watching.